Art and history take center stage in Angono this National Arts Month as a local museum invites the public to experience its collection in a different light even after dark. The details in this report by Mobile Journal, Jas Paredes.
As the sun sets over the Angono Lakeside Eco Park and dusk falls, the town's Nono Museum of Art History opens its doors to the public. In celebration of National Arts Month, the museum launched a limited night at the Museum Experience, allowing visitors to explore its gallery during evening hours every weekend. Unlike its usual weekday and daytime operations, the museum now opens from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. on weekends from February 8 until February 28.
Nasa Lawa, ang dami pong pumupunta sa gabi dito. And dumadayo sa overlooking, tapos napupunta po dito. Ang goal namin is kahit na gabi, makapag-visit pa rin sa museum, yung mga may work, ayan, yung iba na hindi lang sa overlooking, and yung ibang mga tourist spot dito. Kumbaga, meron din na history.
Visitors continue to arrive late into the evening to view the artworks on display. Featured are works by Angono masters including Juan Senson and Pedro Piñon. The collection also presents art history and cultural pieces from the time when Angono was still hacienda.
May meeting kami. Yun, kasama na rin ang pamamasyal. Yun, pagkatapos ng meeting, napagkasundoan ng grupo na pumasok dito dahil para makita namin kung anong mga art ng taga-Angono. At nalalaman din namin kung sino ang mga artist, sino gumawa, at ang history ng bawat picture. Actually, laging na ako nababalik dito, tinitingnan ko na ito, nakikita ko na itong lugar na to. Diyan naman, ang mga view, nandito, nakikita ko yung mga nono, nono ng Angono.
From its name Nono, the museum highlights Angono's early leaders referred to in local history as ang Nuno. Based on the traditional etymology, Angono is said to come from ang uno or ang puno meaning leader or elder.
Nono means leader, pinuno. Doon hiyango ang pangalan ang nuno. Ayan. Si Nono daw noon ay pinakamatandang tao na nilalapitan ng mga tao kapag may problema and pag merong may sakit, kay Nuno po lumalapit, napapagaling niya and wala po siyang hinihinging kapalit.
Beyond renowned Angono artists such as Carlos Botong Francisco and Maestro Lucio San Pedro, the museum also aims to spotlight other local artists known as the Nono Masters.
Ang goal natin is para makita ng future generation na ma-preserve, kasama na din doon, ang tinatago nating bukod pa sa ibang artists, meron tayong mga Nono Masters. Yun ang pinapakilala po dito sa museum na ito. Pinapakilala po din namin dito ang mga Nono Masters po natin. Gaya ni Juan Senson or Tandang Juancho and si Pedro Piñon, Pedrong Pintor.
On display are significant historical pieces including Jose Pitok Blanco's painting Mamumukot, sculptures of national heroes such as the bust of Dr. Jose Rizal by Juan Senson, the original book readings in the history of Angono written by Eugenio Lara II, and photographs documenting the discovery of the Angono Binangonan petroglyphs. The Nono Museum of Art History is free and open to the public. Kapatid Jas Paredes, we are One News.